Cancer, a word that changes lives forever, affecting millions across the globe. According to Eurostat, it was the second leading cause of death in 2021 in the European Union, representing more than 20% of the total number of deaths. And yet, no single, fully effective treatment exists. Radiotherapy has been a cornerstone of cancer treatment for decades. Today, nearly 50% of all cancer patients receive radiation as part of their treatment plan. Although it is one of the most effective treatments available, conventional radiotherapy comes with a cost. Patients often experience side effects such as fatigue, skin irritation and nausea, which can impact significantly their quality of life. But what if we could change that? What if this is a treatment that delivered the same life-saving benefits with fewer side effects? It sounds like a dream, but sometimes dreams come true. In 2014, researchers in France made a groundbreaking discovery that challenged the existing paradigm. Instead of fractionating the radiation dose over days or weeks, they delivered it in the blink of an eye using ultra-high dose rates. The results were remarkable. They could effectively target the tumor while preserving healthy tissue. This discovery gave rise to a revolutionary technique, flash radiotherapy. Unlike conventional radiotherapy, which uses dose rates of a few milligray per second, flash relies on ultra-high dose rates exceeding 40 gray per second, delivering the same dose to the patient with the potential for far fewer side effects. However, fully implementing flash presents significant challenges, particularly the need for innovative beam monitoring solutions to ensure patient safety during delivery. Standard equipment often suffers from saturation effects, or fails to provide feedback quickly enough to the machine, making it incompatible with the demands of flash. A suitable device must not only overcome these limitations, but also be radiation-hard, with minimal impacts on the beam and a high spatial resolution. During my thesis, I will develop a novel yet simple approach that meets all these requirements, inspired, surprisingly, by ducks. Just as a duck gliding across water leaves behind ripples, the Cherenkov effect occurs when charged particles move faster than light in a medium, emitting optical photons in a distinctive conical shape. This effect is widely used in particle physics and offers two highly desirable properties for our detector. Cherenkov photons are emitted promptly and they do not suffer from saturation effects. Thus, we propose placing a thin Cherenkov radiator at the accelerator's exit, coupled with a fast photodetector such as a silicon PM. By measuring the Cherenkov photons, whose number is directly proportional to the number of beam particles, we can estimate the beam's flux without saturation effects and provide real-time feedback to the machine on a nanosecond time scale. Once we have established our core concept, the next step is to refine and develop it into a fully optimized prototype, which will be the focus of this thesis. We will combine a theoretical analysis of the Cherenkov effect with simulations with the CM4 toolkit to assess our device performance and its impacts on the dose profile in a clinical setting. Finally, we will apply machine learning algorithms to optimize the device configuration, balancing high resolution with minimal clinical impact, ensuring it meets medical standards. With this thesis, we aim to make a decisive contribution to the implementation of flash radiotherapy by addressing one of its key challenges. How could a physicist, trained to tackle the most complex problems, not be excited by this work?